Welcome back to another episode with MJT Roofing, where we break down real roofing jobs so homeowners understand what they're actually paying for. This homeowner paid nearly $40,000 for a standing seam metal roof, and they're asking a fair question. Should they look like this? Let's break it down. What was installed? First, what we are looking at, this is a standing seam metal roof installed on a 1,400 square foot home. The total project was $37,800 plus another $3,900 for gutters. At this price point, this is considered a premium roofing system. What is the homeowner concerned about? So what's the issue? The homeowner is concerned about sloppy looking seams, the metal that appears bent, uneven, or unfinished, especially in the valley and transition areas. They were told this is just cosmetic. Is it? Definitely not. On a standing seam metal roof, details are not cosmetic, it's functionality. Valleys, transitions, and terminations are where metal roofs either fail or succeed. Should a metal roof look like this when completely finished? No. At this price point, you should see clean straight seams, properly concealed fasteners, tight intentional bends, factory clean transitions. What we are seeing here looks rushed and poorly detailed. Do they need to be worried about rain or snow damage? Yes, especially snow. When it freezes, it forces water backwards, compromising underlayment, leading to hiding leaks over time. Metal roofs don't fail suddenly, they fail quietly. So this is not a price issue. $37,000 is not an outrageous for a standing seam metal roof, and that if the details match the price. The concern here is execution, not the cost. Was this roof installed properly? Based on what we can see, definitely not. It might not look today, but it does not meet the craftsmanship standards expected for a premium metal roof. This should have been cleaner, tighter, and better finished. Here's what the homeowner should do next. Request a writing correction plan. Ask specifically how valleys and transitions will be reworked. Do not accept this as a cosmetic. That's not the answer. Premium systems demands premium execution. If you're investing in a metal roof for your family's future, it should look intentionally, not improvise it. This is MJT Roofing. We explain the work so you can protect your family.